is BWZ B1. It is most used for aluminum. It can process all aluminum we use the ADP control system. It is more easy and convenient. Here is the feeding part. The feeding roller we use diameter is 36 mm. And here is the aluminum cutter. The aluminum cutter you can use 2 to 3 years. This is the bending device. Double soft bending device. It can bend small letters also. You see, this is the samples. This one is the flat aluminum. That one is fold aluminum with foam grids like this. So this one can process maximum up to 180 mm for aluminum. And for with foam, this one it can process. We call it channelume. It can process 70, 90, and 110 mm. And the machine, we have 2 years quality guarantee, and for motors it has 3 years quality guarantee.